जय श्रीमन्नारायण 334th नामं from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Om Vasudevaya Namaha. O Srimannarayana, you are the one who does this creation of all planets, Brahmandam, and everything in a very, very sportive way, and you are the one who takes care of this entire creation as and how a mother takes care of her child. O Srimannarayana, I surrender to your lotus-like divine feet. Om Vasudevaya Namaha. Om Vasudevaya Namaha. While meditating upon Srimannarayana, who is there within our own heart, let us sing the glory of Srimannarayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. Srimannarayana, Narayana, Narayana. In Sri Valmiki Ramayanam, Sri Ramachandra Swami responding back to Jabali, saying that, "O Jabali, all those who are going against Vedic scriptures should not be accepted on this earth, and we should not be even running into them. Nastikena abhimukho buddhasyat. We should not be running into those who are not accepting Vedas. O Jabali, those who have attention towards dharma, those who have shraddha towards dharma, those who have association with good people, those who have the ability to make charities and the intention to make charities, those who have compassion towards all the entities, these are the people should be respected on this earth." Like this, Sri Ramachandra Swami, when responding back to Jabali, Vachanam Sarosham, with kind of little bit anger when Ramachandra Swami speaking, then Jabali again responding back to Rama after noticing that Rama is getting angry. He is saying that, "Rama, na nastikanam vachanam bravimi aham, na nastikoham." I am not nastika, Rama. I am just giving this argument only to see that if you would be able to come back to Ayodhya. Oh Rama, as and how you are not accepting this kind of argument, so also I never accepted this kind of argument in my life. If anybody has done this argument, Nastikavadam, I too did not accept that. But Rama, now what is the situation? You know that such a big, huge kingdom, Ayodhya has no king. That is why in this kind of critical situation, I am just speaking like that, I am just talking like that, Rama. Only to have you inclined towards Pattabhishekam, I gave this argument, Rama. But and another angle is, the entire world should notice that. The entire world should recognize that. Saying that even after Jabali said so many very, very sweet words and convincing words and gave a wonderful argument, yet Rama did not shake from his righteous path. That world should recognize you. That is why I gave this argument, Rama. Not only that, I wanted to console Bharata. I wanted to make you pleased towards me. With all these intentions, I gave this argument, Rama. Like that, Jabali again said back to Ramachandra Swami. Then right next to them, Vasishtha Maharshi, Brahmarshi is also there. He also noticed Kruddham Ajnaya Ramantu. He also noticed angry in Sri Ramachandra Swami, and now he is saying that, "Oh Rama, Jabali is not Nastika. He does believe in our Shastras. He does believe in our Vedas. Oh Lokeswara, Rama, Nivartayitu Kamastu, only to have you come back to Ayodhya." He gave that kind of Nastika Vadam. He did that. Oh Rama, now I would like to give you complete idea about entire Ikshvaku Vamsam, the dynasty. How was your ancestors? In that process, I would like to come from the beginning of the Srishti. Like that, now Vasishtha Maharshi, Brahmarshi is explaining about Srishti Kramam, the process of creation, saying that, "Oh Rama, when it was all water, at that time the earth was established. Then from Parabrahma Srimannarayana Samabhavat Brahma, Brahma Swayambhu, Daivatais Saha, Chaturmukha Brahma came, all the Devatas came. Then Sri Mahavishnu is the one who came down as divine boar Varaha Swami, Savaraha, Tato Bhutva, Projahara, Vasundharam. He is the one who established, who constructed this Bhumata, who established this Bhumi. Like this, Vasishtha Maharshi is now giving Srishti Kramam, the process of Srishti, to Sri Ramachandra Swami. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. With meditation upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. 36th sloka from Sri Vishnu Sahasranamam. Skandaha Skandadharo Dhuryo Varado Vayuvahanaha Vasudevo Bruhadbhanuhu Adidevaha Purandaraha. Om Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana. Om Vasudevaya Namaha. Om Vasudevaya Namaha. Om Vasudevaya Namaha.